This puzzle stumps 99% of people, but the solution is surprisingly simple. Before I reveal the easy method, let's quickly break down what the puzzle is all about. 4 cubes with a color side: blue, green, white and red, each one of them. The objective is to arrange the 4 cubes in the row such that the front, top, back and bottom face along the row each display all 4 colors exactly once. Here it's not good, I have 2 red. Okay, blue. Here 1 color will be good. Here 2 red. Okay, maybe a green. You can try, and I'm going to take a very long time every time you're going to try. Here is the easy way to solve this puzzle. First, you need to find the 2 cubes with the same color on opposite side. Okay, this one, green and green. And this one, we have red and red. We have 2 times the red color. We're going to start to solve with this 2 cube. That's the key. We need to have red, red, red. We'll take the blue face in front of us. We have white in the back and green on the bottom. Next, we're going to take the cube with the green on opposite side. We're going to have the white on the top, red in front of us, and blue will be in the bottom. That's the 2 cubes. And now it's coming easier to try to find the solutions with only 2 cubes left. Alors for the third cube, we need, let's see, the one with green and green. We have green, green, blue, white, red, and white on the bottom. Right cube where we have 2 white. We have white, white. We have also red and red. Alors, we're going to place blue on the top. We need to have white, white, red. Here will be green, and on the bottom, red. Okay. And like you can see, we have red, white, green, blue, white, blue, red, green, green, blue, white, red, and also blue, red, green, white. And that's the easy way to solve this crazy cube. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the subscribe button if it's not already done, and until my next video, you can watch the video on the screen.